Hi, Mateo. You're a bit late today. Is everything all right?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I'm fine, but I'm sorry I'm late.
You look a little sad. What's bothering you?
I went to the coffee shop nearby this morning.
Oh, that sounds like a nice way to start the day.
Not really. I tried to order in English, but the man spoke so fast I couldn't understand him.
I understand. Many people here in the city speak very quickly.
I tried to speak slowly, but the people waiting in line behind me just laughed.
Oh, Mateo, I am so sorry to hear that.
I feel terrible and quite shy now. Maybe my English just isn't good enough.
Your English is good, Mateo. You are still learning, and making mistakes is a normal part of the process.
I feel nervous to speak now.
Don't worry. Let's practice together using simple words. Tell me about your morning routine.
I wake up.
That's good. What do you do next?
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread, and I drink milk.
Excellent. See? You are speaking perfect English.
Yes, keeping it simple really helps.
Let's try another. What does your sister do?
She go to school.
Very close. Remember, for he or she, we need to add an S to the verb.
Oh, right. She goes to school.
Exactly. Learning is a step-by-step process.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel much better now and I will keep practicing every day.
Hi, Carlos. You seem very quiet today. Is everything okay?
Oh, hello, Emma. I'm okay, just a little tired.
Are you sure? You look a bit sad. We are on break, you can tell me.
Well, a customer asked me something this morning, and I made a mistake when answering in English.
What happened?
He asked about Miss Rivera, our manager. I said she lived downtown, and the customer corrected me to she lives.
I understand. That's just a tiny slip-up.
I feel stupid because I always forget that S. People laugh, and now I feel too nervous to talk.
You aren't stupid at all, Carlos. That is a very common mistake. Let's practice right now, it's easy.
Okay, we use the simple present for habits like I work here, or you work here, right?
Exactly. But for he or she, we add an S. So, how would you say it for Miss Rivera?
Miss Rivera, she works here.
Perfect. See, you know it. Keep going.
And my co-worker, Louise, he works here too.
You've got it. It's much easier when we speak slowly and take our time.
Excuse me, you look a bit confused. May I help you?
Oh, yes please. I am searching for.
No rush at all. Take your time. I'm Alex, a volunteer here.
I'm Sofa. Sorry, my English is still very new.
Your English is perfectly clear, Sophia. I understand you just fine.
I get so nervous. Sometimes people don't understand me when I speak.
I understand. Many people feel the same way, but mistakes are just part of the journey to improvement.
I want an English book, something easy for beginners.
Perfect. We have many beginner books with pictures and simple words. Come with me.
Oh, thank you so much for your patience.
See? You spoke clearly and I understood every word because you took your time.
Slow and clear. I will remember that.
Exactly. You're doing great, Sophia. Would you like to borrow this one?
Yes, please. Thank you, Alex.
You're very welcome. Come back anytime and keep practicing.
Hi, welcome to the desk. How can I assist you today?
Hello. I think I lost my bag. I arrived an hour ago and I can't find it.
Don't worry, this happens quite often. You lost your bag, right?
Yes, I lost it. Sorry, my English is not very good.
No need to apologize. Your English is perfectly fine and I understood everything you said.
What does your bag look like?
It's blue and it have my name on the handle. Carla.
Blue bag with the name Carla on the handle. Got it. Just a tiny thing for next time. We say it has because it's he, she, it. But honestly, I knew exactly what you meant.
No problem at all. Thank you. I always forget the S at the beginning.
Everyone forgets the S at the beginning. You're tired from the flight and still speaking English. That's amazing. Let's fill this form together. Flight from Sao Paulo. Yes.
How you know?
Lucky guess. We'll check the lost luggage room right now. Carla, blue bag with your name.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you.
See, you spoke. I understood. Bag is back. English worked perfectly today. Next time just I lost and it has and you're already perfect. I will remember. Thank you, Noah. Really. You're very welcome. Safe travels and keep speaking. You're doing great.
Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for today?
I need a new phone. My old one is broken.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I dropped it in water. It won't turn on now.
That happens a lot. Don't worry, we have many good phones here.
Thank you. I want something simple, not too expensive.
I understand. What do you use your phone for? Calls, texts, photos.
Mostly calls and texts. Sometimes I take photos of my family.
Okay. This model is perfect for that. It's reliable and has a good camera.
It looks nice. How much is it?
It's on sale for $200. Normally $250.
That's a good deal. Is it easy to use?
Yes, very user-friendly. It's a piece of cake to set up.
Great. Does it come with a charger?
Yes, and a case, too. Do you want to see the colors?
Sure. I like this blue one.
Blue is popular. Let me check if we have it in stock.
Thank you for checking.
Good news. We have one. Would you like to buy it now?
Yes, please. I pay with card.
No problem. I'll ring it up for you.
Thank you so much for your help. You're very kind.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new phone. Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks for watching. Let's like and follow me to see more videos from Lingova.